What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix the transaction pending error that appears when you try to purchase a game, product, or DLC on Steam. So without further ado, let's get into it. This problem is usually tied to your bank account, payment method, or billing restrictions, and there are a few steps you can try to fix it. First, you can reach out to Steam and ask them to review the issue. To do this, open your Steam client, click on Help, then go to Steam Support. From here, select Games and Software. If you don't see the game listed under Recent Products, simply search for the game you're trying to buy. Once you select the game, choose an option like I'm having trouble with my retail CD key or It's not in my library. The goal is just to access the support options. Then click Contact Steam Support and explain that you cannot purchase the game due to a pending transaction error. Steam will check their system or server issues on their end. If that doesn't fix it, your next step is to contact your bank. Sometimes banks block online or foreign transactions automatically, and you may need to request approval for the purchase. Another thing you can try is using a VPN, which may bypass regional restrictions that cause the error. And if nothing works, you can simply buy a Steam wallet card from a retail store. Just redeem the code on Steam, add the wallet balance, and use that to buy your game. No card transactions required. So those are the main ways to fix the Steam pending transaction issue. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, let us know in the comments below. If you want more guides like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.